Today we will be preparing kadai veg recipe. Very tasty and restaurant style gravy to go with roti, naan, kulcha and puri. Hi, welcome to Daily Recipes. Now let's see the procedure for this recipe. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil to medium hot pan and saute onion bulbs. You can keep the rest of the onion for further procedure. In this video, we will be giving away ₹1000 Amazon gift voucher. Keep watching till the end to know how. Fry capsicum the same way till the rawness is reduced but still crunchy and keep aside. Now if required, add some more oil to the pan on medium heat. To this adding cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds, black pepper and some cashews. Cashews are added to give the gravy some consistency. Once cumin seeds are splattered, add in onion and saute for a few minutes until golden brown. To this now add in 2 finely diced tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, cover and cook till tomatoes are soft. Get this mixture blended into fine paste when it's cool to room temperature. In the second phase of the recipe, add in 3 tablespoon oil and when it's hot, add in bay leaves and cinnamon. To this add Kashmiri chili powder to give the gravy its deep red color. Now add the blended paste and fry till the oil separates from the paste. Keep stirring occasionally because it can stick to the pan and burn. Add salt to taste to speed up the cooking time, 2 tablespoons coriander powder and chili powder. To this recipe, I prefer to use homemade coriander powder because the shop bought powder is not roasted enough to give its fine smell. Cover and cook stirring occasionally till oil separates. To this, add yogurt for added sourness. You can also add milk cream if you prefer that. At this stage, you can decide your gravy's consistency by adding some water if necessary. Once oil separates, add fried onion bulbs and capsicum. Cover and cook on low to medium heat up to 5 minutes until the veggies absorb the flavor. To be the part of this giveaway, you should be a subscriber, hitting like button and commenting below on what you would like to see in the coming videos. Draw of this giveaway will be conducted on 31st day of May 2022. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander and serve hot. Try this today and let us know if you like it in the comments below. Also leave us your suggestions and feedback below. We will try to reply to all your comments. If you like this kind of videos and recipes, click subscribe to get notified on our new video releases. Hit like button if you like it. This helps YouTube algorithm to show this in others' feed with similar interests. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.